morning and welcome back to my channel. From the title of the video, you might have got an idea that this video is about a tutorial as well as a dress idea that you can get from this video so that you can start preparing for your Eid celebrations, and also you can send a lot of love virtually to all your friends and family members. And this look is very glowy, very easy. You can carry it throughout the day and night as well. So it is an in-between look that I have prepared so that you don't have to change and get ready in the evening and then sit down for a video and wish everybody, because social distancing is there, so virtual distancing is not there. So we are gonna celebrate Eid this time virtually, connecting with everybody. There is no restriction. Everybody can be, well decked up and celebrate Eid this year. So this is the look that I am wearing. I hope this will give you an idea. So without further ado, let's get cracking into the video.
I have prepped my skin. I have done my skincare to save time. So now we will move on to the foundation. Today I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I will take a little bit on the back of my palms, and with the help of my finger I will give it a nice mix, and then with the help of the same finger I will apply the foundation all over my face, starting from the center of my face towards the ears of my face, and apply it in small dots all across. This will help you to have a nice and even coverage, and also it will last for a long time. So take time in applying the foundation all across your face in small dots. Then with the help of a damp beauty blender, I will push the foundation in my skin so that it can last for a long time, as in throughout the day, so that you don't have to do even any touch-up. Make sure that you take time in blending this, and also make sure that you bring the entire foundation down to your ears and on your neck as well, so that you can have an even coverage all across your face. Now we have done the first layer of foundation. We will not be powdering our face. Instead, we will be using the MAC Fix Plus Prime setting spray. Apply it all across the face and let it set for some time. This is the technique that I learned in my masterclass with one of the great makeup artists of our time. This helps the foundation not to crease and also to last the entire day. Also gives us a huge amount of coverage. Now that you see my face is setting, I am using the beauty blender to again push the setting spray into my skin to give it that nice and flawless look, and again preparing my face for the next set of foundation to come up, which will give me an extra coverage without making my skin look cakey. So now it's all set. Now I will be using the MAC Strobe Cream, which is in the shade Gold Light. I will mix this with my foundation again, which is the Fit Me foundation. I am taking a little bit of the Strobe Cream and mixing it with my Fit Me foundation this time. This is the second time, so that I can have the glowy, dewy look on my face the entire day. So you need to mix it very well again, and the same process continues, where you spend a little bit of time in blending it on your face with the help of a beauty blender. I'm applying the Fit Me concealer. This is in the shade Sand Sable. I'm applying it under my eyes and also around my mouth, which will give me that extra coverage as well as help me highlight the skin. This works great for me because it gives me that extra coverage with a bit of highlight. Hence, I am not using any color corrector. So now with the help of a damp beauty blender, again, I am pushing it into my skin, taking time in blending it so that the canvas can be really nice and the makeup on top of that can stick for longer period. Also, this will help the foundation from creasing. Now I will be using a lipstick to prime my eyelids, and the color that I'm using today is Pink Perfect from Lakme Creaseless. This works great for me. I am using a flat shader brush to pick up the lipstick on my brush and apply it on my eyelids. This gives me a long lasting effect and helps me get that smoky pinkish look without me investing in colored eye primers. This is a technique that I have learned, so this is something really great that works for me. Now with a flat shader brush, I will be picking up the eyeshadow. Before that, I am using the setting spray on this so that the color that I pick up can be really nice and can give me that extra coverage. So now I'll be picking up the sparkly pink shade from my NYX palette and applying it all over my lid very nicely. Now I'm taking the same shader brush and applying it, whatever is remaining on the brush, in my under eye line so that it can give that smoked out effect. Now I will be applying the palette from Nykaa to use the bronzer on my cheekbone to give it that highlight and also create that shadow without doing a contour. Now I am applying the Nykaa palette to apply blush on the apple of my cheeks. Now I am using a Nykaa palette again to use a highlighter. Today I will be using a golden highlighter on the highest part of my face. Finally, I am using a blush brush again to blend it all in, the highlighter, the blush and the bronzer, to give it that flawless look. For my brows today, I am using the Benefit Goof Proof. For my eyeliner today, I am using this eyeliner in the golden shade from Maybelline. Now I will be using a kajal from Nykaa to underline my waterline and also my upper lash line. Now I will be using a flat shader brush to smoke out my kajal a little bit and mix it along with the eyeshadow that we had applied before to give it that nice and smoked out effect so that the lines are not prominent and it's very smudged. Now I will be curling my eyelashes with the help of an eyelash curler, and we will not be using any falsies. However, I'm going to show you a trick how to make your eyelash look thicker and longer, giving you the same falsie effect. So first of all, we will apply this mascara, a coat of this mascara, and today I'm using the mascara. This is a waterproof mascara from Maybelline, New York. Now, while the first coat of mascara is drying, I will be drawing my lips with the help of this lip pencil. I will be outdrawing it a little bit to give it that fuller look and also filling it pull it from inside. And then we will be applying the lipstick today from Nykaa, which is a Mona Lisa. Okay, now the trick to make your eyelashes look like falsies is to dust off a little bit of translucent powder on your eyelashes right now, which is on top of the first mascara coat that you have applied. When it is semi-dry, you need to just dust up a little bit and then you need to reapply the mascara again. This will give you a very nice, thick, elongated, curved eyelashes look, which will not require any falsies and still you will have a falsie effect. Now you need to dust off your face with a little bit of translucent powder. I'm using the Lakme powder, which has sunscreen inbuilt in it, and applying it very lightly with a very light hand all across my face to make sure that everything is well balanced. And once that is done, I will be applying the setting spray from MAC again to give it that nice and glowy effect. And this will not crease for the entire day. So this is how it looks.
Alright, so this is the final look, guys. So you can see I have done my hair, my jewelry, some artificial jewelry that I've put on, and my dress. You've seen the dress, as in the outfit that I'm wearing right now. That will give you an idea of what you can do during this time. So if you guys have liked this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, because that means a lot for me. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon next to it. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.